What is Tarot? Tarot is a deck of cards used for divination and spiritual guidance. There are different decks. Each deck typically consists of the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana represent major life events or archetypes, while the minor arcana represent everyday events and experiences. Tarot cards are often used by psychics, fortune tellers, and other practitioners of divination to gain insights into a person's past, present, or future. Each card has its own meaning and interpretation, and the way the cards are laid out during a reading can provide additional insights into the question being asked. Although tarot is often associated with fortune-telling and mysticism, it can also be used as a tool for self-reflection, personal growth, and spiritual development. Many people use tarot cards as a way to connect with their intuition and gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their life's purpose. Subscribe my channel to learn more. Thanks for watching the video.